Imagine losing potential clients because you can't answer calls 24/7. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a fully automated AI receptionist using tools which are 100% free. So you don't have to pay anything for that. This bot will answer calls, talk naturally, and actually book appointments directly to Google Calendar. So let's see it in action.
Thank you for calling Wellness Dental Clinic. This is Alex, your scheduling assistant. How may I help you today?
I would like to book a dental booking on January 3rd, 11 a.m.
Just to confirm, you would like to book a dental appointment on January 3rd at 11 a.m. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. Could you please do that?
Your dental appointment has been
And
successfully booked
for
for January 3rd at 11 a.m.
working
If you have any other questions,
the call. So this are already done.
Yeah, so what we need for creating this, automated booking agent is what two tools. One is Vapi or Vapi, how you pronounce it, and the next one is make.com. So this is for automation purposes. So I'll just show you how the basic architecture works. So the Vapi layer will handle the agent talking, user queries, etc. And make.com will actually send an API request to calendar and booking the appointment over there. That's the main thing. So let's just go to Vapi. While I'll also just go to make.com and go to scenarios, and let's say create a new scenario. Okay. And let's say, so let's click on webhooks, and it's going to be a custom webhook, and that's how we should. And we are going to add a webhook. So let's just name it YouTube test, YouTube video voice production, voice AI booking agent. Just give me a name so that just to be descriptive. You can add an API key here just to make it secure. But just keeping this one as it's a very basic tutorial. Yeah. After that, click save. That should be it. Now it's actually waiting for. So this is actually loading. So what it does is that it's waiting for. It doesn't know what kind of API, payload it's going to get. So it's just listening for the payload. So whatever new payload comes, it will take that as the payload format and process it. So I'm just going to copy this webhook, copy that to scriptboard, copy that. Let's go to Vapi, that's tools. I already created a book environment tool, so I'm just going to create. That's what the testing the purposes. So I'm just going to create a new tool. Just make it an API request, and I'm going to name it, booking appointment itself. So it's booking. How do I name it? Ah, yeah. So make AI booking appointment. It cannot have spaces, so let's just add underscores everywhere. So just to make it sure, let's add that's done. Now it's going to be a post request, so we're just basically sending post request to the uh, the webhook. So if you want, you can pass in the authorization key over here so that it's secure more. But I'm going to do it now. Now it's a request body. There are two parameters. What we'll do is one thing. So it's I'll say event copies few values. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, tools. Let's go back to tools over here. So I have had a few descriptions previously by testing view. So I'll just copy that one from there. So let's go to book appointment and let's just go back to here. Click on this. Okay, let me just copy the even name as it is. Okay, so scrolling, we cancel, just edit it. Yep, control C it, and let's go back over here, paste that thing, and let's also go back and copy this one. Yep, paste it, and same as with this one. It's not complicated, but just and let me just add one more property over here, which is called the time. When is the time? Let's say, for example, it's should the appointment be at 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. So we are just adding that values over here. So these are just two things which I only require. Just copy it, and yeah. So after that, our tool is done. There's nothing more to be configured. So the request viewer, oh shit, the request viewer should be this one. Yeah, this is the webhook. This is the webhook we should copy it from here. So yeah, click apply. Now what we need to do is just click on test. So what we'll do is we'll send this API request to this webhook and it will format take the corresponding payload. So let's go to test. I think I'll save first. Save this thing. And then self click test. Now let's send this post request. It should be successful. And he can see here this is also successful. But yeah, click on save. Now here are a few things which I totally messed up in the first time. One is so the body should be, we should give a JSON body, otherwise it won't work. So I think I have already something in my clipboard, so just going to take success. Yeah. So this is the API body which I'm going to pass it here. You can also pass the event name or etc., but I'm not going to click on save. And then we have calendar. We are going to add Google Calendar and we are going to create an event. So just click over here and event quickly, and we can give the calendar ID as this one. This is the one. The event name would be this event name and start name. So just so that it can so for mail.com for specified time we need to pass the time. Let's say 10 p.m. January 2nd or January 5th in the title. Pass it this over here, and we can add a Google Meet link also required. Click save. And for publishing, you have to click this button. I actually forgot this to do this in the first time. So just click on save. So that's saved. Okay, so that's saved. The scenario is now saved. Now, when we trigger this API request, it should work. Okay. See, now it says the accepted. Okay, let me just zoom in for you. Yeah, this accepted is actually basically a string. So Vapi would throw an error because it's free. It's actually expecting a JSON response when you send an API request. So I actually spent a lot of time. So what you need to do is actually click on this and click run immediately as data arrives. Okay, just click this thing. So what it does is that usually the webhooks is sent in a queue and it's being processed after some time. That's why you only get accepted by. But if you give running media data arrive, and if you just click over here, okay, why I'm not getting response? Okay, it's still showing accepted. Why is that? Okay. Okay. Yeah, or not. Okay, so this is done. Let me just refresh the page. Sometimes then it's that one. Yeah, so the run immediately has to work. Delete or delta, yeah, deleted. I had to do the refresh. Now let's do the refresh again, see if it's actually saved or not. I was having these issues previously, and I was like, trying to get it up. So, yes. So okay, let's do this thing again, and let's see if this. Okay, now that's done. Now let's send the API request. See, now we got the JSON response. So this is what we do. Now let's go back to Vapi dashboard. So we know this is the AI agent over here. So let's go back to assistant. Let's go, it's a dental booking AI agent. So I just created an already AI agent. So it's basically saying, hey, it's financial name is Alex. You are friendly, warm, and yeah. So this is just basic problem over here. the default thing. Now what we're going to do is test it. Before that, I'll just show you my Google Calendar. It's just a week. So I had this as a demo, so I'm just going to delete everything from here. And let's go back to Vapi and let's talk to Assistant. Now let's see what happens.
Thank you for calling Wellness Dental Clinic. This is Alex, your scheduling assistant. How may I help you today?
I would like to book a dental booking on January 3rd, 11 a.m.
Just to confirm, you would like to book a dental appointment on January 3rd at 11 a.m. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. Could you please do that?
Your dental appointment has been successfully booked for January 3rd at 11 a.m. If you have any other questions,
The call. So this is already done. Let's go back. See, it has booked a dental appointment for January 3rd, 11 to 12 p.m. The only issue is that it's took January 1st. It didn't take January 3rd. So let's just fix that. For fixing that, what we can do is basically let's go back to tool. Get the current date and also make sure of the year. So we are just passing the date argument along with it so that they can understand, hey, what January 1st means, what January 2nd means. So yeah, let's go back to assistance and let's try this again. This can also be issued by Make or not just Vapi because they're just taking the name from there. So let's try it.
thank you for calling Wellness Dental Clinic. This is Alex, your scheduling assistant. How may I help you today?
Hey, I would like to book an appointment for January 2nd, 10 a.m.
Just to confirm, you would like to book an appointment for January 2nd at 10 a.m. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Your appointment has been
Process and let's go. See, now it's successfully done on January 2nd. So that's again goes called. So basically just passing the date will help you. So that's it. I hope you like the demo and it's very easy to make. It's 100% free. And yeah, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. So hey folks, if you need any help building a voice agents, just visit tunyan.xyz and book up a meeting and let's talk about it. So that's for this video. Thank you and bye. Have a nice day.